Today I'm looking at a house that has a radon system that is installed by somebody else, and the homeowner is trying to sell the home. The buyer had a radon test done, and the radon came in at 6.1 picocuries per liter of air. So radon is still high. We're going to figure out why it's high. We're going to do some diagnostics on the home and figure out what's going on and how to fix it. So taking a look at this house, one of the first things I noticed is there's this concrete apron here. So we've got the home in this concrete apron. That's definitely going to be something worth exploring. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to inspect the current system. So we're at 4.2 inches on the manometer. It's a high pressure system. A 3-inch pipe goes into the slab. I'm going to draw out the space. So I'm going to draw in all the different foundation zones. Then we're going to take some test measurements and kind of figure out where the radon's coming from. All right, so we've got a GX4 fan. This is a high pressure radon fan, creating tons of suction on the basement slab. So we're taking some floor pressures here. We're mapping out the radon and the pressure from the current system. The floor is under suction. It's really minimal, so it's not a ton, but it is under a little bit of negative pressure. So behind this plywood here, what we found was a big void that leads under that front porch apron. This is a pathway of radon into the home. We measured this with a grab sampling device. We had about 200 picocuries coming out from this area. So we need to seal this, block it off from the rest of the home, and then remeasure and see what the radon levels do. So we just finished looking at this house. It looks like there's a pretty big pathway leading to under the front porch apron. So the answer is not a bigger fan. The answer is not adding another suction pit in that basement slab. The answer is let's seal the pathway that's leading into the home. Let's do that first, then let's remeasure, see what the radon levels are. And if we need to, then we'll add some more suction pits in other places. If you like this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you would have looked at something different. Let me know if you have another radon system in your home that's difficult. Maybe you're having problems. I love hearing about stuff like that. I love helping out. And feel free to follow us if you like videos like this. We're a radon company. This is what we do. We create radon solutions for radon problems. Take care.